there! For today's video, we're going to teach you how to make a simple homemade drink that you can take daily for glowing, wrinkle-free skin. This would naturally help your body produce collagen that's the key to getting youthful, radiant skin. But first, let's talk about collagen and its critical role in skin health. Collagen is the most abundant protein found in humans, making up about 25% of our total protein content. Collagen is the main component of the inner layer of the skin. Basically, it's responsible for skin strength and elasticity. And as we age, our skin suffers from loss of elasticity due to collagen degradation. The aging process, along with frequent exposure to harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun, causes an increase in enzymes that break down collagen. The production of collagen also decreases. That's why we get wrinkles and fine lines as we grow old. But even if we can't stop our aging, there's still a way for us to naturally boost our collagen production, and this is through taking this all-natural healthy drink daily. For this recipe, you'll only need 1 cup of almond milk or soy milk, a handful of spinach or kale, or you can combine both, a handful of any kind of berries, or you can also combine them, 1/4 of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of raw natural honey, and lastly, 1/2 lemon or lime juice. Just blend them all together and you'll have yourself a powerful elixir that would help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. Now let's discuss the medicinal foods in that recipe and how it promotes skin health. First, almond milk. Loaded with vitamin E that's an antioxidant, this is beneficial to the skin as it helps protect it against sun damage. Almond milk also has proteins that help in collagen production. It also softens and nourishes the skin. If you're finding this video helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified once we upload a new video. Next, soy milk. Studies have shown that soy milk helps reduce the visible signs of skin aging from prolonged sun exposure, both when consumed as a part of a diet and when used as an ingredient in a skincare product. Soybeans contain high amounts of linoleic acid, a kind of fatty acid with antioxidant properties that help maintain youthful, healthy skin. Furthermore, one study conducted in Japan found that regular consumption of soy milk had a significant effect on the skin health of postmenopausal women. The next ingredients are spinach and kale. Researchers have studied the link between nutrition and skin aging, and they found that a higher intake of green vegetables was associated with fewer wrinkles in women. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also a rich source of vitamin C, which plays a critical role in the production of collagen. This type of vitamin is not naturally produced by the body, so it is important to consume fresh vegetables and fruits every day, which are the richest natural sources of vitamin C. Kale and spinach are also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E that help prevent collagen degradation. And then we have berries. Berries, like green leafy vegetables, are also an excellent source of vitamin C that boosts collagen production. Berries contain an antioxidant called ellagic acid, which is proven to reduce wrinkles and inflammation caused by UVB, a type of ultraviolet radiation that is associated with skin burning. Meanwhile, avocados are a great source of vitamin E and healthy fats that improve skin elasticity, making it more plump and nourished. Furthermore, several preclinical studies have shown that avocados can help protect the skin from UV damage due to the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. And then for raw honey. It contains antioxidants and zinc that help keep the skin young and slow down wrinkle formation. It also has natural alpha hydroxy acids, which are natural plant compounds that get rid of dead skin cells. And due to its antibacterial properties, raw honey prevents infections on the skin that can worsen signs of aging. And lastly, lemon and lime. They are a rich source of vitamin C which supports the production of collagen in the body. Now you know the powers behind that magical drink that will give you beautiful, nourished skin. Just drink that every day, consume a healthy diet, stay hydrated, get enough rest, and you'll surely have a face that's softer and younger looking. And speaking of natural homemade remedies, we also recommend that you check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus medicinal plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It includes recipes of teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has a high-definition color picture for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. For more information about it, check out the link in the description box below. That sums up today's video. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned because we'll be posting more informative health and lifestyle videos on our channel. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.